Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use your calculator to calculate cosine of an angle and sine of an angle. So if you take a look at a question like question 3, where you're asked to find the coordinates of a point on a circle that has a radius of 10, right? So we're not on the unit circle here. The circle has a radius of 10. And the point whose coordinates we're looking for is the point located in the second quadrant, and we get there by making an angle turn of 150 degrees. So you can actually use your calculator to get approximate values. If you want to get exact values in terms of pi, then you're going to have to convert this angle degree into radians. But here, because you're not being asked to give an exact answer, you can give an approximation rounded out to 3 decimal places. Just use your calculator. So here we know that the x-coordinate is always the radius times cosine of your angle, and the y-coordinate is always the radius times sine of your angle. So if I want to find the x-coordinate here, an angle turn of 150, so I'm going to put in 10, which is the radius, times cosine of 150 degrees. Because our angle is given to us in degrees in this particular problem and not in radians, you have to make sure your calculator is in the correct mode. So again, go to the mode function on your calculator, which is located in the second row of buttons, and make sure that you turn it on to degree mode. So you can use your arrow keys here. Okay, so you can see I'm using my arrow keys. I'm going to put it on degree and press enter until it's highlighted. So now my calculator is in degree mode. I'm going to press second mode to quit out of that window. Now I can just put this into my calculator as 10 times cosine of 150. And right now my calculator knows that this 150 is 150 degrees, which is not the same thing as 150 radians. Okay, press enter and you get negative 8.66. I can do the same thing to find the y coordinate. So the y coordinate is 10 times sine of 150 degrees. Okay. And then there you can see that that is the y coordinate. So this is how you can use your calculator to evaluate your trig functions. You just have to make sure that if your angle is in degrees, that your calculator is in degree mode. If your angle is in radian, then just make sure you toggle back and put your calculator back into radian mode.